Hi everyone at ICSM.Alison. This is Miss Allison. I hope everyone is staying safe and sound at home with their families. I just want to let everyone know that I miss everyone so much, and I miss seeing your faces every day and spending time with you in the garden and in the cafeteria. But I especially miss having lunch in the cafeteria with my students. It was just always so much fun for me to bring my lunch and then sit with different students. And if you ever sat with me, you know that I always bring the same thing for lunch every day, which I will be calling Miss Allison's famous salad. I just love the salad because it's really good for you and it tastes great. So today I want to teach everyone how to make it. So as you can see, I'm in my kitchen and I have all of the ingredients laid out. I'm going to be going over the 4 main ingredients and then I'll teach you guys how to make it. So the first thing in the salad is spinach. And so the reason that I have spinach in the salad is because you want to have a really good leafy green for the base of your salad. And if you didn't know already, spinach is one of my favorite vegetables. And so I always like to have spinach in my salad. But if you didn't like spinach, you could also do lettuce or arugula or kale. That's also really good. The next thing I want to put in my salad is some fruit. So here I added some dried cranberries. And then the reason that I put some dried cranberries is a lot of times in the morning I don't have too much time to make my lunch. And so it's an easy way to just put some dried cranberries on the salad to add some fruit. But I've also added like apples or avocado if I have extra time, and that's just a great addition. It tastes really, really good and gets you a little bit more fruit in the salad. The next thing that I'll be adding is some sort of nuts. I like to add nuts in my salad because it adds protein, and protein makes your muscles strong, and you want to make sure that you have enough protein every day. So adding nuts is a really easy way to do that, and so I always put it in my salad. And I always like to put pecans because I really like them, but you could also do things like walnuts or almonds even, or if you are allergic to tree nuts or any sorts of nuts, you could do sunflower seeds or pumpkin seeds. That's also really good in the salad. The last thing that I'm going to put is a little bit of cheese. And the reason I add some cheese is just for flavor. I just think it makes it taste better and adds another texture to it. But you don't have to put cheese if you don't want to. If you're lactose intolerant and you can't have dairy, then that's fine. And if you wanted to try a different kind of cheese, you could also do goat cheese or also do blue cheese. So we're gonna start out with the base, which is the spinach. Let me put it right here. And I am going to put a little bit of the dried cranberry. So I'm just gonna sprinkle them on top. I'm gonna add the pecans. And I'm going to sprinkle on some of the feta cheese. It's time to add some sort of dressing. I really like to have some sort of balsamic vinaigrette or simple dressing like that. You can also add ranch or Italian dressing or whatever dressing you would like, but my favorite is balsamic vinaigrette. And I'm just gonna pour a little bit onto the salad. I don't put too much because I don't like too much dressing, but just enough to add some good taste to it. Just pour it like that. All right, so now my salad is ready to eat. Right now it's actually my lunchtime, so I'm super excited to have it for my lunch. But I hope everyone enjoyed watching me make my famous salad. I'll be making more videos in the next few weeks, so please look out for more videos from me. And I hope to see everyone really soon. All right, bye everyone.